Hi, today we're going to see how to create a portrait text effect in GIMP. I will put the link of this image in the description box. So first we need to create a guide here. So go to Image, Guides, New Guide by %. Make sure here the direction is vertical and the position is 50%, and then press OK. And now go to View. Make sure the Snap to Guides here is checked. And now select the rectangle selection tool. And now let's just make our selection. And now press enter. And now create a new transparent layer. Click on this icon here. Make sure to fill it with transparency. Press OK. And now I'm going to fill this selection with white. So I'm just going to drag the background color like this. And now I don't need this selection. So just remove it. Go to select, none. And as well for the guides here. So just go to image, guides, remove all guides. And now I'm going to create the text here. So select the text tool. The effect here depends on the size of the image, the font type, the size of the font here, and also the lines here between the text here, the vertical lines. So the font type I'm using is impact condensed. The size is 140, sorry. And for the vertical alignment here of the text, it's -20. And now here the foreground color is black here, so left click here. So I'm going to type the text here, capital letters, V, and then press enter. Smarter, press enter. U, press enter. R, press enter. And now comma, V, press enter. Less, press enter, and then U, press enter, and then speak. And now as you can see, we can see the text here because it's overpassing the image here. So I'm just going to select the move tool and then just move it up like this. And now in order to make the text from right to left here, so select the text tool again, left click here on the text box, and then highlight all the text here. And then in the tool options here of the text tool, select the justify here, this one here, and select the right justified. So here it is, and now select the move tool, and now here I'm going to move it here like this, and I'm going to align it vertically. So select the alignment tool, left click on the text box, and then click on this icon here to align it vertically. So here it is, and now select the text tool, right click on it, and then go to alpha 2 selection to make selection from the text here, and now click on the eye icon here to hide the text. And now select the layer with the white background and then press the delete key on your keyboard. Here, as you can see, to remove the selection here from the white background, so go to select, none to remove the selection, and then select another tool here to remove these squares here. I'm just going to select the move tool. And now I don't need the text layer anymore, so I'm just going to delete it. So select the text layer and then press on the X icon here. And now I'm going to merge these two layers, the top part with the bottom part here. So click on this icon here. So here it is. And now I'm going to scale down the image here. So the Canva here. So go to Image and then Canva size. And now I'm going to reduce it to 1080 here. So the size of the YouTube thumbnails is 1920 for the width and 1080 for the height. So, and then click resize here. So here it is. And now as you can see, our layer here is kind of cropped because of the Canva here. So as you can see, the layer overpasses the Canva size. So I'm just going to scale it down here. So left click on the scale tool here to select it, and then left click on the layer. And as you can see here, the chain icon here is linked. So keep the control key down here, and then just drag from one handle to scale it proportionally like this. So here, I think it's okay. Press enter to confirm scaling. And now let's select the alignment tool, left click on the layer here, and then let's center it horizontally here and then vertically like this. and then right click on the layer, layer to image size. And now I'm going to create a new transparent layer, click on this icon here, fill it with transparency and then press OK. And then place it under the layer with the image here with the text, and then just fill it with white. So here it is. And then to remove these squares here, just select another tool and then select the top layer. And then we're going to merge it down with the bottom one with the white background. So click on this icon here. And now I'm going to sharpen this image here, this layer. So I'm going to duplicate it first. Click on this icon here and then go to Filters, Enhance, High Pass. And now I'm just going to increase the STD here a little bit and the contrast too. Just going to increase it a little bit like this and then press OK. So here it is. And now I'm just going to change the layer mode to overlay. So here it is. You can see the before and the after. As you can see, it's better here. And now I'm just going to merge down the top layer with the bottom one. So click on this icon here. So here it is. That's how you can create the portrait text effect in GIMP. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and till next time.